Hey guys, how's it going? This is Shintaro. Welcome to my channel. 皆さんこんにちは、Shintaro です。最近どうですか? In today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to say hang out in Japanese. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. Alright, hang out in Japanese. 遊ぶ In general, it is used for any enjoyable activities such as socializing. So how to use 遊ぶ? Here's some examples. Let's practice together. Okay? Let's hang out this weekend. 今週末遊ぼう。今週末遊ぼう。Let's do something. It's gonna be something しよう。So when you put something しよう after 遊ぶ it's gonna be like 遊ぼう。Let's hang out. 遊ぼう。Okay. I'm going to hang out with my friends tomorrow. 明日、友達と遊びます。明日、友達と遊びます。Hang out with someone. You just need a Japanese particle と。Hang out with my friend. 友達と遊ぶ。Okay. Let's hang out in 渋谷。渋谷で遊ぼう。渋谷で遊ぼう。Hang out in somewhere. Hang out at somewhere. You just need a Japanese particle で。Hang out in 渋谷。渋谷で遊ぶ。Okay? If you make the sentence all inclusive, hang out with someone in or at somewhere, time, day, all together in the one sentence. Let's say, I hung out with my friend in Tokyo yesterday. 昨日、友達と東京で遊んだ。昨日、友達と東京で遊んだ。That will be it. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. Well, if you like to learn Japanese language and culture more, please check out my website. I put the link in the description. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.